Okay, so right now I'm on my computer, but what I'm doing is sending a e-gift card to a potential new client. Sometimes there's a lot of drama that happens. Like for instance, I'm supposed to place machines in this hotel in Miami, and then there was operators, there was other old vending machines there. They were supposed to take it out on a couple days from now. Today's Monday. They were supposed to do it on Wednesday, and then just to be petty, they came in and took it yesterday. So the GM's like, "Oh, we don't have any vending machines right now. When can you get yours here?" And I was like, "It's still on the same scheduled day because I already booked my guys on a certain day." So to alleviate that, I'm gonna send her a gift card so the staff could get some lunch and until we bring the machines there, because sometimes these things happen, especially when you're taking someone else out. She was really receptive of it. I'm not telling you guys you have to do that, but this is something that goes a long way when it comes to giving that extra customer service to your clients. You'll get it back one way or the other. So that's what I'm looking forward to, building this relationship with them. Okay, so this is an example of taking care of the customer and making sure that, okay, you're taking ownership, even though she understood that it wasn't our fault, it was theirs. But, this is part of the business. All right, talk soon.